Difference between Lindlar's catalyst and sodium ammonia reagents. When alkyne reacts with Lindlar catalyst, the product formed is a cis-alkene. So the hydrogen would reduce this triple bond to a double bond, giving us a cis-alkene. Okay, so you want to make sure that the total number of carbon you have on both sides are the same, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it has to be cis-alkene. Okay. For this sodium ammonia reagent, the product is still an alkene, but a trans alkene instead, which is going to be this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons as well, but the difference is that the Lindlar's catalyst is going to give you a cis-alkene, while the sodium and ammonia reagent is going to give you a trans-alkene, and that is the major difference between these two reagents in terms of alkyne reactions.